Guys, to change the settings for your audience, if it is made for kids or not, just click your profile, click YouTube Studio. So, sa ngayon guys, unahin muna natin ang pag-set ng channel settings nyo bago tayo mag-individual settings dun sa mga videos. Okay, once na nasa YouTube channel dashboard na po kayo, at the left side of your screen, meron kayong makikita ang mga menu dito. And you have to click the settings, yung parang gear na icon. Okay? So, once nasa settings na po kayo ng YouTube channel nyo, just click channel. And then, click the advanced settings. So, dito guys, makikita nyo po yung audience. This one. And, okay guys, if you are going to create content for kids or yung mga audience nyo is kids, click this yes. Set this channel as made for kids. I always upload content that made for kids. Kung hindi naman, click no. Set this channel as not made for kids. I never upload content that's made for kids. Or kung gusto nyo po na bawat video is reviewin nyo muna yung settings, just click this third one. I want to review this setting for every video. Okay, so once done, pag okay na po kayo dyan, just click the save button. Okay, so next thing na gagawin natin is that we are going to check individually dun sa mga videos natin if it is made for kids or not. Regardless of bagong upload ito or mga lumang upload nyo 2 years ago, 3 years ago, you have to check all of that guys. Okay? To check it guys, yung mga videos nyo, under dashboard menu, meron kayong makikita ang videos na menu. Click that one. And dito nyo po makikita yung mga videos na ina-upload nyo sa YouTube channel nyo. Okay, just click, for example, this one, just click the video. Once na-click nyo po, just scroll down here. Meron kayong makikita na option dito na this one. Is this video made for kids? If yes, then choose the yes. If no, choose no. Okay? Ang mangyayari dito guys, kapag naka-made for kids yung video nyo, lalong-lalo na kapag ikaw ay mayroong personalized ads or naka-monetize na yung YouTube channel nyo, so, ma-decrease yung revenue sa ad personalized kasi hindi na yun maaaring mapakita sa mga bata. Based sa ating source guys sa vidiq.com, YouTube stated that when deciding whether your video content is aimed at kids or not, consider the following. First, what is the subject matter of your video? Second, whether children are your intended audience for the video. Third, whether the video includes child actors or models. Fourth, whether the video includes characters, celebrities, or toys that appeal to children, including animated characters or cartoon figures. Fifth, whether the language of the video is intended for children to understand. Sixth, whether the video includes activities that appeal to children. Seventh, whether the video includes songs, stories, or poems that appeal to children. And how old is a kid under the new rules? In the US, it's anyone under 13. I don't think so sa Pilipinas kung yun din po yung age na binabasihan natin dito. So, ayun lang naman po yung gagawin nyo guys sa YouTube channel nyo. Ngayon, para ma-comply nyo po yung COPPA law, para hindi kayo magbabayad ng mahigit kumulang na 2.1 million pesos bawat video.